In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view all the photos that you have backed up in your Google Photos as well as delete some of them. So let's start. So the first thing we will need to do is open Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice. And then once you have opened your web browser, head to the search bar and type for photos.google.com. Then once inside this address, you will see this particular page and it will contain all of the photos that you have backed up from your Google account. Now to delete these photos, what we will need to do is click on these three dots present at the top of this website, and then an option will pop up which says select photos. So click here and then select all the photos that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete these three photos. So the next thing I'm going to do is hit this trash can icon at the top, and once I click it, it will give me a warning that it will move to trash. Then click on move to trash, and here you can see that these three photos has been successfully moved to trash and will be permanently deleted in 30 days if not restored otherwise. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.